Okay, now we just finished our computer. Put it together with the rose wheel. Actually, it's rose wheel correction from Roswell. There's no UFO here. Rose wheel Challenger case. And we put in the DVD drive, and also we already installed the Windows, which surprisingly took only 10 minutes with the SSD. It was extremely fast. So now we are going to start the Windows and just see how fast is the boot up time with the FX6300 and the SSD, and the Kingston SSD. Okay, now we're starting. We're gonna have to get ready to stop the clock. Oh, 18 seconds. A little bit less than 19. We stopped a little bit late. So that's a full boot up. Thank you. And also the rose wheel has a nice LED fan over here. Just to let you know. Thank you for your support.